We understand that you're launching, or that banks in Paris are launching, a Principles for Responsible Banking. This is a part of the UN Roundtable. Concretely, what does it mean for Nordea?
For us, it actually means that we can, through our customers, enable them actually to transform their business models to a more sustainable future. I mean, what it really means is mitigating of risk. It means improvement of resilience, and of course creating opportunities for a better society.
But does it actually give you competitive advantage? Do your clients, bank with you more thanks to this?
I think over time, yes. I think I've always said it's not only the right thing to do, it is the smart thing to do. I think this is what our constituencies, our customers, the broader society wants us to do, and I think we need to embed this in everything we do. And we take this extremely seriously, and I see it as not only our role but our responsibility. And it is actually, as I said, it's the right thing to do, but it's also the smart thing to do.
Mr. Von Koskull, the FSB ruled on November 16th that Nordea, along with RBS, is no longer classified as a global systemically important bank. Are you pleased with this decision, and what does it mean for your dividends, but also possible paybacks?
I think on the latter, I think it's too early to say. I'm pleased with the decision. I have for some time argued that given our very focused model, simple model in the Nordics, we do not really qualify as a G-SIB, and I'm very pleased that that decision has also been made. What the impacts are, I think we will have to see, but I think as a decision is the right one, and I think is something that we have also argued for.
But could it impact your dividend policy?
Again, I think it's too early to say. I think we have just made a transition and transferred from the Swedish system. We are now under SSM, and we will work under that regime now for the next 12-18 months, and then we will really see what impact, if any, that it has on capital. So I think it is too early to make a comment on that.
What's the business like at the moment in the fourth quarter? What's market activity like? What are your clients asking of you?
I think the fourth quarter is going in line with what we have expected. I think we see somewhat higher demand, particularly on the corporate side. Otherwise, I think it is in line what we have been expecting. And again, let's see the quarter through, and then we will report the numbers in late January.
But are markets a little bit more subdued than you were expecting, or are people, I don't know whether it's trade concerns or actually what we're seeing overall with some of the risks, geopolitics, or do you think activity will remain subdued because some of the things that we've just been highlighting?
No, I think for the time being, I think it is in line with what we have expected. We've always said that we don't expect, very kind of big changes in the overall demand picture, and I think it is going in line what we have expected. I think, of course, we see more uncertainty in the marketplace, but uncertainty also leads then to more demand of certain services and products. So overall, I think fourth quarter so far, and I think it's early days, so I think it would be wrong to draw conclusions for the whole quarter yet, but I think nothing that I would actually comment yet that would be different that I have said before.